Oh.
That is heaven right there.
Wow. Okay, let me do your thing.
I always do my thing. Y'all know what time it is? It's Chippin time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chippin, and you'll know what time it is. So today our recipe is gonna be sauteed seafood pasta. All right, and the seafood that I have here, or that I'm gonna use for this pasta, is gonna be lobster. Y'all see that? Yeah, lobster tails. All right, and I got me here scallops. Y'all see that? And lastly, some raw shrimps. You all know what time it is? Let's get cooking. No long talk, all right? So, normally seafoods have always have this potent smell. So you wanna cut that smell off with some lime or some lemon, all right? So here we go. Just squeeze on some of this lemon right here. And I'll do the same for the lobsters too. Then we're gonna add water and rinse it out. Normally that's how I like to do it. All right, rinse it out like that. And squeeze on some more lemon or lime, whichever you wish to use. And continue the process. Repeat it. So once we're done with the scallops, I'm gonna do the same with the shrimps. Yep, put on some lime or lemon, and you rinse it with water, warm water. Ooh, hot. Yep. Now we're gonna proceed and do the same to the lobsters too, and then we all set to start cooking. There we go. Same for the lobsters. So this is how you cut your lobster. That is if you want it good for presentation, all right? So we're gonna cut from the top and pull the meat from the inside and place it on top of the shell. Yep, just like that. You'll see that? That's what I'm talking about. Just so you know, like when doing this, you should be careful, like super careful, because the shells are a little bit sharp and it can hurt you. So now all our seafood protein is done. So what we're gonna do is just proceed to the vegetables, all right? So as I mentioned earlier, we already done with our proteins, seafood proteins. So now we're gonna head over to begin with preparing our vegetables. And I have here some bell peppers. I have here some yellow, red, and some orange bell peppers. I have me some onions, and we're gonna season with adobo seasoning, garlic, salt, and cayenne pepper for that spicy kick. And of course some olive oil. You all know what time it is. So what you want to do is go ahead cut your vegetables the way you want it. Ain't no style or definite way of cutting this. It's just your preference, all right? Whatever you want it to look like for presentation purposes, or whatever floats your boat. Me, I just like to slice it this way so it sticks out. We all done prepping our vegetables. Now, these vegetables is my preference, all right, my choice. Like, you can use whatever vegetable that you feel comfortable with, all right? So now that we're done, we're just gonna set it aside and go ahead and cook our pasta. The pasta that I'm gonna use for today is the Barilla pasta, and it's super, super delicious. You should try it, you will love it. So with our pasta, all you need to do is just put water on the stove, bring it to a boil, and just throw in the pasta, and that's it. While our pasta is cooking, what I'm gonna do is season the lobster. Yeah, I'm gonna season the lobster only for now because I'm not gonna saute it with the rest of the vegetables and the shrimps and the scallops, all right? With the shrimps and the scallops, I'm gonna season as I cook while sauteing them. But with these, I'm gonna season with garlic salt or garlic powder and my trusted adobo. You know, seafood don't need a lot of seasoning because you do not want to overpower the distinctive taste of the seafood. You know what I'm saying? So just like so, just a little bit on top of it. Yep. I'm gonna do the same for the rest of them. And also do not forget to season the part that is on the shell. It needs seasoning too. A lot of videos I see and people forget to do that. Here comes my garlic powder. I'll do the same. A little bit more. If you've watched up to this stage and you like what you see, please help me grow my channel by hitting the like button, subscribing to this channel, giving me a comment or a suggestion, and also share so other people can see it. Let us grow this channel together. Thank you so much. Now I'm not gonna add salt because I'm gonna make it garlic butter, and that is salty already because I'm gonna use salted butter for that. So now we're going to proceed to throw in some butter. In our pan. And then just a little bit of olive oil. Comes our onions. Y'all know I love onions. So we're gonna leave this to fry a little bit, and then we're gonna toss in the rest of the vegetables. So from the beginning, I forgot to mention that I'm gonna need minced garlic. So here it is. You're gonna need some minced garlic. Throw in the rest of the vegetables. And then we're gonna continue to stir. Popping up. You'll know what time it is. This stage, you wanna go in with your seasonings. So here's my cayenne pepper, adobo, and garlic powder or garlic salt, whatever you choose to call it. I'm going with some salt. And then stir. There you go. And then here comes my shrimps and the scallops. You want to stir and leave it on slow heat so it can cook slowly and absorb every flavor and spice incorporated in this pan. You'll know what time it is. Popping up. Look at that. Just look at this. This is exactly how I wanted it. To let it slow, sort of steam cook by itself, you know, absorb every flavor. Oh my God. Y'all should smell the aroma in this joint. While all that is going on, I'm about to put our lobster in the oven because it's been sitting and marinated for a while now, so it's time to go in the oven. So I'm gonna sprinkle some oil on it and put it in the oven. There it goes. This is the hour of truth here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my pasta. Yo, just look at that. It's about to go down, baby. Look at that. There's my money shot right there. You want to stir, mix everything together. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Yo, just look at that colorful joint. Somebody come and see this. Off camera, I threw in some fresh vegetable for the extra crunch. Yo, y'all should smell this. So good. Oh my God. Finally, I'm throwing on some parsley. Just look at that. When I tell you I got a cheat code for cooking, y'all should believe that. So we just waited on our lobster and we all set to eat. Think our babies are ready. Just look at that. Look at that junk. Yeah. Okay.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be.
Y'all see this? This here is my money shot. There goes some butter on it. See that? Yeah. Now talk to me. Tell me something.
Oh, good.
Good? You love it?
Yes, I do.
That's what I'm talking about.
This is what I've been waiting for. The lobster.
I know, right?
All right. Toss a little bit of that pasta on there.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh,
That is heaven right there.
wow. Okay, maybe you did your thing.
I always do my thing. Y'all know what time it is? It's Chippin time. If you've watched up to this ending, you'll know what time it is. Help me grow my channel on Chippin. Thank you so much. Give me a comment, subscribe, share this video so other people can see it too. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.